Run it.
Take 24, I think this is of the intro, so I think we're just going to roll with it. Guys, welcome to Taylor Walsh Property Consultants, the real estate agents. We want to give you a little insight into what we do on a day-to-day basis, and today you are going to join us, and Barry and Mohammed, I think we've got in today's episode for you. Is that right?
That's right.
It's Elliot. You don't get to see Elliot a lot, but he's behind the camera the whole time, guys. If you want to see more of Elliot, let us know in the comments. But today you're going to get to see some beautiful rental homes that we've just put on the market. A lovely site that a client has bought, developed on, and we're now instructed to help them secure some great tenants to move into those properties. And you get to see two beautiful homes that have gone on the market or going on the market for sale, depending on whether we've launched them now or not. But I know one of them is coming on the market the first week of February, so this will be an exclusive for anyone that's watching this when it first comes out. It's a £3 million home in London. A client in Milton Keynes that we sold their home in order for them to purchase this place a few years ago. They've now had a change in circumstances and we're now going to be selling this property for them. Like I say, it's £3 million, outdoor swimming pool, 2 separate annexes, backs onto a golf course. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Any comments, do please leave them below and enjoy the show.
Run the intro.
Run it. Okay guys, so it's Monday morning and we're just heading over to Fairfields. We've got a beautiful 4-bedroom house coming on the market for rental, going on the market for £1,900 a month, and then we're going to another property in Oxley Park, which is ready to go live, and we've got another one in Newport Pagnell today to go live. So 3 new rental instructions on a Monday.
Good Monday.
Happy Mondays. Mondays.
Everyone's favourite day of the week.
I don't know about that, but we make the most of it.
We do.
That's it.
Think
it's an amazing home. First one of 3. Let's go. Okay, so the Fairfields house is now done. Photos taken by Elliot behind the camera, the media guy. We're now heading over to Oxley Park to a beautiful little 2-bedroom apartment. Really nice, this property. We've actually sold it twice. We sold it for an original friend of mine, to an investor. The investor owned it for 3 years. He's now sold it again to the chap that currently owns it. He's now had a change of direction where he's working, so he now needs to rent the property out. So we're heading over there now to get new images of the property. He's changed the kitchen and done a few bits in there. So new photos, new marketing. We'll get that property live. That'll be about £1,200 a month, I believe. But we'll find out in a bit and we'll show you more in a moment. Let's get over there. This is the garage. This is the apartment block here. Okay, so it's Friday. We started filming obviously on the Monday, which I believe you've probably just seen. We've had 9 new rental instructions this week and 4 new sales instructions this week, all gone live, or should I say about to go live. It's quite interesting because most of the rental clients that we're getting, most of them are referrals or previous landlords that have already worked with us. And I think the key thing is that we just offer transparency and we just keep everything simple. So obviously we offer the rent guarantee to all of our clients, so every property that we fully manage, all of our landlords have got complete peace of mind that we pay the rent if a tenant can't for any reason. So if they unfortunately lose their job or something happens, meaning they're not able to make the payment, we still pay the landlord, and we work with the tenant to make sure that we recoup any outstanding balances and things like that, rather than just serving a notice telling them to move out. We want to work with all of the clients that we work with and keep everyone happy, and I think that goes a long way. So yeah, a very, very busy week for rentals, and long may it continue.
Yeah, what do you think then?
It's nice. It's another rental instruction, 2 bedrooms in Great Linford. Landlord of this property was recommended to us by another landlord that we have. Again, someone else has complete peace of mind because we guarantee the rent. Just gonna have a quick look around now, see what the property is worth, and get it live hopefully today, worst case tomorrow, so this landlord has a great investment earning them money.
All right, Barry, where are we going today?
On this beautiful Sunday sunny Monday morning, we're off to Fairfields, which is a modern development on the west of Milton Keynes. These people have owned the house since brand new, bought it in 2017, I believe. We're going on the market at a guide price of 500,000. 3-storey, 4-bed detached. They've converted the garage into another room, which could be ideal for somebody looking to work from home. You've got 3 bathrooms, lounge, open plan kitchen, dining room, corner plot overlooking a little green area.
Okay guys, so right now we are in Maids Morton. Some very good clients of ours have bought a 3-bedroom property here a year or so ago, and they managed to get planning to put another 2 3-bedroom homes on the site. Had an extra large garden in the house, and it's still got a very, very generous garden now. They put an extension on the original home, refurbished it throughout, so it looks absolutely sensational, which you'll get to have a look at now. And I'm sure you'll agree, the 2 houses that they've built are absolutely fantastic. Lots of natural light, loads of space, great plot, front and rear gardens. You need to check these out. Okay, so today I'm with Mohammed and we are looking around this exclusive 5-bedroom detached family home in South London. It's got 4 bathrooms, situated on a half-acre plot, and it's only 10 miles from central London. Mohammed sold this, 3 years ago?
Yeah.
So Mohammed sourced this house for clients of his in Qatar, and they've now had a change of circumstances and no longer need to maintain the home and keep the home for themselves as a summer residence. So one lucky buyer gets to secure this place as their new family home. Should we go and show them around?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go and have a look around, guys. Okay, so this house was sourced, we said 3 years ago for one of Mohammed's clients. It is stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stunning, and they really like the house a lot. The reason for them to move of the house, they want to become more and more closer to central London because of the family size at the minute. But apart from this, they like it, every detail of the house.
I mean, it's stunning. The house throughout stone. You see the chandelier, you see the garden, you see all the decor. The floor was imported. The bedroom you'll see in a moment. It's got like silk walls rather than wallpaper. Just everything about this home I absolutely love.
When they buy the house here, they invest a lot of money also to improve the house and to make, keep it well maintained. So all of these small details like this is what they grabbed their attention when I first introduced the house to them. So all the marble tops here, all the appliances here, the underfloor heating, the silk coverage for the wall instead of the normal wallpaper, the land size as well, it's nearly half an acre, and also the 2 extensions of the house. So really it is a very amazing house and full of details as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fantastic location. It took us, an hour and a half to get here from Milton Keynes. Like I say, central London is 10 miles, 17 minutes on the train to Victoria.
To Victoria Station.
Yeah, and it just got so much houses around.
It's very close to all the local amenities, the schools, very good standard schools here around, a lot of shops and restaurants as well. And it's just 5 minutes by car to the train station, which you can take the train to Victoria Station in London within 17 minutes.
Yeah, so one of the main selling points about this home as well that I noticed straight away is you've got not 1 but 2 separate annexes as well. So the idea behind it was you could use one as a large games room or as a separate annex completely. It's completely self-contained. And there's another annex as well which was ideally meant for staff. So you've got those benefits, but the main selling point to that is that you get a stamp duty relief, don't you?
Yes, because you have separate dwellings on the same location, so you can get a relief from the stamp duty as well.
So huge selling point.
Yeah, and the house itself there's a very good thing here is you have direct access to the golf course at the back of the house. So this is one of the unique points as well at the house. The road itself is a very exclusive road, full of gated houses there, all sharing similar sizes or big mansions, I would say.
We've got poor Kirsty here doing the photos of the floor plan and she's trying to sneak behind us right now. But feel free, you do what you do. So we're getting this house ready to launch on the market. It's gone on the market for £3 million, which actually for me, for somewhere that's literally 10 miles from Harrods door to door, is incredible really when you look at the price for the location.
And the size as well.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. But you'll see as you have a little look around the home now, I mean, every room is of great size. Through here, you've got another separate living room as well, so you've got so much scope to use the rooms as you see fit for your family. It's a bit of a no-brainer in my opinion. Even as I'm looking up behind now, you've got the gallery landing over there, looking over the front and down onto the rest of the house. It is sensational, isn't it?
At the front of the house as well, you have plenty of car parks for nearly 6 or 7 cars on the front part of the front side of the house. And also at the back, you have like a small pond with the waterfalls coming to it, with the swimming pool, with the jacuzzi in there, plus the direct access as I mentioned, and also there's a tree house there.
Yeah, that's brilliant as well. Yeah, that is brilliant. There's so many features in this home that honestly are just sensational. But we'll let Elliot do his thing now behind the camera and give you a quick tour of the property throughout, and we'll leave you to it. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Really, really appreciate it. Any comments or anything you'd like to see more of or less of, leave them below. And yeah, see you on the next one.
Don't forget to
like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell notification. I think I've been told.
just so you don't miss out on anything in the future.
So you don't miss out on anything in the future. It's YouTube, right? Do YouTube. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it.
Please say no more singing from Elliot.
You can let it in.